Opening scene. Captivating visuals of futuristic technology and advancements. Welcome to the Future Files, the place where we uncover the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. In this episode, we embark on a journey of bold tech predictions for the next decade. Get ready to explore upcoming technological advancements and their potential implications on society. Animated graphics showcasing futuristic technology. Predicting the future is both exhilarating and challenging. As we stand on the cusp of a new decade, technological innovation is poised to redefine our world in ways we can only imagine. Join me as we dive into some insightful predictions for the next 10 years. Segment 1. The Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, or IoT, will continue its meteoric rise in the next decade. We predict that interconnected devices will become even more integral to our daily lives, shaping how we interact with our homes, cities, and workplaces. Visuals of IoT devices. Imagine a world where smart homes anticipate your needs, where cities optimize energy consumption and transportation systems, and where workplaces are seamlessly connected for enhanced productivity. The IoT will intertwine technology with our physical environments like never before. Segment 2. Advanced robotics. Robotics is on the verge of a major breakthrough. Over the next decade, we anticipate the rise of advanced robotics that will transform industries, redefine the workplace, and enhance our daily lives. Visuals of advanced robots. From healthcare and manufacturing to agriculture and space exploration, advanced robots will play a vital role. We foresee human-like androids performing intricate surgeries, autonomous drones revolutionizing delivery services, and collaborative robots becoming our trusted companions. Segment 3. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. The next decade will witness remarkable advancements in biotechnology and genetic engineering. Breakthroughs in these fields will lead to transformative changes in healthcare, agriculture, and our understanding of life itself. Visuals of biotechnology and genetic engineering. Picture personalized medicines tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, disease-resistant crops ensuring food security, and gene-editing technologies that eradicate inherited diseases. The possibilities are vast, but ethical considerations will be crucial in harnessing the power of these technologies responsibly. Segment 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, will continue to evolve and permeate various aspects of our lives. In the next decade, we predict AI becoming more sophisticated, driving automation, enhancing decision-making, and transforming industries across the board. Visuals of AI and ML applications. AI-powered virtual assistants will become our trusted companions, revolutionizing customer service and personal productivity. ML algorithms will assist in medical diagnoses and drug discovery, while autonomous vehicles will reshape transportation systems. However, ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness will be essential as we navigate the ethical landscape of AI. Segment 5. Sustainable technologies and renewable energy. The urgency of addressing climate change will drive significant advancements in sustainable technologies and renewable energy solutions. Over the next decade, we predict a surge in clean energy generation, energy storage, and eco-conscious innovations. Visuals of sustainable technologies. Imagine solar panels seamlessly integrated into urban landscapes, wind turbines harnessing clean energy in innovative ways, and breakthroughs in energy storage systems. Embracing sustainability will not only combat climate change but also create new economic opportunities and improve our quality of life. And that concludes our journey into the future, where we've explored bold tech predictions for the next decade. From the Internet of Things to advanced robotics, biotechnology to AI, and sustainable technologies, we stand at the precipice of a transformative era. It's essential to approach these advancements with caution and mindfulness, considering the social, ethical, and environmental implications. Together, we can shape a future that benefits all of humanity. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unravel the mysteries of tomorrow.